Class 10th, in important questions of the similar triangle, let us solve today the question number 15 of exercise 6.5. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that PD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So class 10, see the question 15. Equilateral triangle ABC is given that equilateral triangle, and given that also BD is equal to 1/3 BC. We need to prove nine AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Okay student, now listen student, in geometry we have to make the strategy. Squares are given, AD square, AB square, but here no right angle triangle, because in square we are getting when we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we cannot apply here because no right angle, so we have to make one perpendicular, means construction AE. So let us draw this AE perpendicular to BC. So construction is AE perpendicular to BC. Now we can get the right angle triangle. So let us start the proof. See, we need here AD square, AB square. So AB square we can get by triangle AEB. So in triangle AEB, using Pythagoras, so we will get the AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Okay student, in the similar way we required the AD square, so we will now consider AED. So now in triangle AED we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, all that using Pythagoras. So we can write here the reason by Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras, here also by Pythagoras. Okay student, now listen, we need AD and AB only in square, but we don't need these all, so we should subtract this one. Whenever we don't need any quantity, we will subtract this one. So let us subtract AB square minus AD square is equal to, this will be cancel AE, same AE square, and this will be BE square minus DE square. Okay student, see we subtract here in order to eliminate most of things we don't need. But now we have to eliminate B and DE also. Now listen student, this is as it is, AB square minus AD square. BE, listen, BE will be half of BC. Why? Because in an equilateral triangle, listen students, the previous question also I explained, in isosceles on equilateral, that perpendicular bisect the opposite side, BE equal to EC. So we can write here half of BC minus DE. Okay student, in place of BE I have written the half of BC because BE equal to EC. Reason is that AE perpendicular to BC in equilateral triangle ABC. So this will be AB square minus AD square is equal to 1/4 of BC square minus DE. DE geometrically can be written as BE minus BD. BE minus BD whole square. Listen what I did here, you try to understand. In place of DE I have written BE minus BD. Okay student, geometrically BE minus BD. Now AB square minus AD square is equal to 1/4 BC square minus, now listen, BE. Again the BE means half of BC. BE is half of BC. So we'll write here half of BC minus BD. BD is given in the question, 1/3 of BC. 1/3 of BC. This is given. What are the reason of all? This thing is given, and this is because bisect perpendicular in equilateral. We can write the reason, since perpendicular bisect the opposite side of equilateral triangle, and BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. This is given. Okay student, this reason for this one, V is half of BC is perpendicular bisect opposite side of equilateral triangle, and BD is 1/3 of BC. This is given. So therefore in place of B, wherever BE means half of BC, BE means half of BC, these two are same. In place of BE minus BD, we written half of BC, and BD 1/3 of BC. This is given, and this half of BE equal to half of BC, then 1/4 of BC square, 1/4 of BC square. These and these, don't be confused, try to understand. Now listen students, this will be AB square minus AD square is equal to 1/4 BC square. Now we will subtract this one fraction. 3 minus 2 means 1/6 BC whole square. Okay student, 3 BC, 2 BC, 3 minus 2 I have written directly 1, 3 2 is 6 LCM BC square. Now we will make the whole square, but let us write this LHS. AB square minus AD square is equal to 1/4 of BC square minus 1/36 BC square. Now what is the LCM of this one? 36. So now 4 9 ja, though 9 BC square, 36 that is divided by 1, so 1 BC square. So this is AB square minus AD square. Now listen, I am writing here. Now this will be AB square minus AD square is equal to, it is 8 BC square upon 36. So this AB square minus AD square we can cancel by 4, 4 2 ja and 4 9 ja. This is BC square. Try to understand. This was the LCM, then 4 9 ja 36, 1 BC, then we cut it. You can pause the video or you can back the video, then see it properly. If any doubt you can write in the comment box also. Listen. So cross multiply this one, so we will get the 9 AB square minus 9 AD square is equal to 2 BC square. So we can write here 9 AB square minus 9 AD square and 2 AB square. Why 2 AB square? So in place of BC I have written AB. In place of BC we can written AB because it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So we can write the reason, since AB equal to BC equal to AC, equilateral triangle, and also in the question we need the AB and AD, we don't need the BC, so we can eliminate the BC according to our need. It will be 9 AB square minus 2 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. So this will be subtract 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. Hence proved.